Naghahanap ka ba ng murang hotel o accommodation para sa inyong next Baguio getaway kasama ang pamilya at barkada? Na sobrang lapit lang sa mga tourist spots like Baguio Cathedral, Session Road, Burnham Park at sa mga kilalang resto like Good Taste and Foam Coffee? Tara dito sa Travel Light Express Hotel. Located lang ito sa Shugtong Street, corner Fernando Bautista Drive, Baguio City. Sa lobby pa lang, ang mga staffs are well-trained and sobra ang babait nila.
Hi!
We booked their standard room with 2 beds for the price of 2,500 per night. Ang room na ito ay pandalawang persons lang. Since may kasama kaming bata, nag-add na lang kami ng 500 pesos per night lang. They will also ask 1,000 pesos for incidental deposit upon check-in, which is refundable after room clearance at checkout. Pagpasok pa lang, sobrang bango at malinis ang room. They also provide standard amenities kit like soap, shampoo, dental kit, and towels. The room has a big TV, and the hotel has a Wi-Fi din. Since this is a city view room, ito ang view outside from our room. Kitang-kita dito ang Baguio City Hall. Sa outside naman ng room, dito nakalocate ang kanilang service phone just in case may mga request kayo o concern, and their hot and cold water dispenser. Tara, tignan naman natin ang kanilang iba pang mga rooms. Ito ang kanilang standard room with queen size bed. Tamang-tama ito sa mga couples and solo traveler. Meron din itong Rizal Park view. Next naman, ang kanilang standard with 2 single bed. Ito naman ang queen size room with 1 single bed. Ito naman ang kanilang deluxe room. Ito ay good for 2, maximum of 4 packs. With city view rin. Again, kung naghanap kayo ng murang hotel o accommodation, try to consider Travel Light Express Hotel. For booking inquiries, ito ang kanilang website and Viber number. At kung kayo po ay gumagamit ng Klook app, gamitin niyo po ang ating bagong promo code na Sarap Magbiyahe Vlog Klook para magkaroon po kayo ng 5% discount. Don't forget to like and follow. #SarapMagbiyahe. Ingat!